Suck my dick if you don't like my shit. Cause I was high when I wrote this, so suck my dick. 2 pills I pop till my pupils swell up like 2 pennies. When he's bored in his mid